Many Chevrolet TRAX models from 2013 to 2017 don't come with a factory-installed towing hook. This video will guide you through the process of safely installing an aftermarket tow hook, essential for vehicle recovery or light towing. Keep safety as the top priority. Professional installation is recommended. Before beginning the installation, gather these essential tools: a socket set, jack and stands, torque wrench, and possibly a drill depending on your kit. Safety gear is crucial for protection during the installation. Wear gloves and eye protection at all times. Start by parking the TRAX on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Then safely jack up the vehicle to access the mounting points under the frame. To locate mounting points for towing hooks on the Chevrolet TRAX, start with rear installation by finding the frame rails positioned behind the bumper. For front hooks, attach to the chassis near the radiator support area. Always consult your specific kit's instructions, as exact locations can vary between models. Clear any underbody panels or bumper covers that obstruct access. Using these proper mounting points helps maintain equal weight distribution for safe towing. When mounting the towing hook, use manufacturer-provided brackets from reputable brands like ARB or Rhino-Rack. These ensure compatibility with your vehicle's frame. Some kits simply bolt into existing holes in the frame, while others may require drilling small pilot holes for secure attachment. Carefully align the hook to prevent interference with nearby components like the exhaust system or suspension parts. Misalignment can create safety hazards, so double-check positioning before final installation. Tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque of 50 to 70 foot-pounds. Use thread-locking compound to prevent loosening. Reassemble any removed components. Before use, visually inspect the hook for stability and test with a light pull to ensure it doesn't flex or rattle. Important safety tips must be followed when installing a towing hook on your Chevrolet TRAX. First, never exceed the towing hook's weight rating. This is critical to prevent overloading the vehicle's frame. Second, use the hook only for designated recovery points. Attaching to other areas can compromise safety. Third, improper installation can cause severe frame damage or accidents. Ensure all bolts are properly torqued. Fourth, if you have any doubts about your ability to perform the install safely, seek professional assistance. Better to be safe than risk damage. Finally, ignoring any of these critical safety tips can be life-threatening. Always prioritize safety during installation and use. Looking ahead, future towing hook upgrades focus on user-friendly designs. DIY kits now come with pre-drilled templates and video guides linked via QR codes, making installation accessible for more vehicle owners. For humid environments, stainless steel hooks resist corrosion better than standard steel, extending the lifespan of your modification. This upgrade is especially valuable in coastal or rainy areas where rust can develop quickly. As aftermarket technology advances, smart towing applications may emerge that use sensors to monitor hook stress and towing loads in real time. While these features aren't available for 2013-2017 TRAX models yet, they represent the future of towing safety and convenience. These trends show how towing hook technology continues to evolve, offering better reliability and ease of use for Chevrolet TRAX owners.